So right up here on the right, we're just gonna turn off into a field, which is actually the golf course, but we're not going to the main entrance of the golf course. We're just gonna turn right. The tracks. So things just got real interesting. My buddy out here at the golf course said they got a tracked lift stuck in the mud. So I'm following them over here to go see what our options are as far as getting them unstuck. Big shit stuck in the mud. Good times. So we've got a Genie stuck in the mud, my truck tied to it, a Bobcat tied to it. We're about to tie a plow truck to it and see if we can't get it out. So I'm slightly worried that this thing's gonna tip over because it's going like this as we're working it. We are making some progress. The front half of the frame is off the ground. I just wanted to let it be known that the Dodge got it out. Not gonna lie, I like it when she's dirty.